What are the most common failures of storage heaters, night storage heaters? Do you know that? Hi, it's Shem from Solid Electrics, serving Southampton and surrounding areas, based in Southampton, electrician. Some of the faults, most common faults, heating season started. Some people changing for smart thermostats, whether it's going to be Hive, Nest, or Worcester. Makes no difference. Still, smart is smart. However, a topic is storage heaters. Heating season started, and failures. Some of them have been reported by customers. Or they've been working last year perfectly fine. This year we're turning them on. There's no heat. So the most common faults. First, thermostat failures. It's like the most part which is like very active. It's checked the temperature against the set temperature and the temperature in the room, and if it's below the set temperature, it will turn on the storage heater. Especially with the older versions, which is 15-20 years old, they are storage heaters like that, and that's how they're designed to last long. And so that might cause the failure of the storage heater, so they won't turn on, or they will be on all the time, so you lose all the heat immediately, which is not very good. The other failure is probably the most common one again, the failure of heating element. So it depends on the size of the storage heater. It might be the smaller one. It has one heating element, rarely one, but sometimes it's more than one. Most of the times it depends on the size of the storage heater. If it's bigger, it might have three heating elements, and if one is going to fail, you will still have that heat, but the other one might be affected by it, and it's worth changing them all by the same time, because that job required taking out the bricks and replacing one. So replacing one and replacing three, it makes no difference. So that's the second issue, heating element. And it's not the issue actually with storage heater itself. However, it has to do with switching. It's like switch on the side for off-peak tariff. Some customers, they turn it off every day. Some customers, they turn it on and leave it for heating season. Some they don't play with it at all. However, that switch, when it's on, it draws the current. It's about 13 to 15 amps of current, and those connections are become loose over time. So what you can notice on the switch for storage heater, there's a burn mark, like a brownish, yellowish, like someone put it like a heating on against that switch. So that may cause the loose connection, and you won't have storage heater working properly. So those, I would say, the three of them, the most common ones. Sometimes they are combined, so all of them, they may fail. It's not happen very often, but it can happen again. And something to do with, not with storage heater itself again, but something to do with smart meters. Sorry. When people from the DNO or whoever they will send to replace from your energy supplier, electric energy supplier, they will send to replace your normal meter or older meter for the smart meter. They will put new switch for storage heater, maybe not only storage heater, but also for the electrical installation. So you might have two of them, main switches, and if they are off, in the off position, you might still have power in your house or in your property. However, you will lose power to charge up your storage heaters, night storage heaters. So if you would like to know more about storage heaters, night storage heaters, how they work, how to replace the parts, or how more new storage heaters are energy efficient, and what kind of functions they provide, please subscribe to the channel and stay in touch.